200 daily English sentences for learning English with Fluent English class. Good morning. How did you sleep? Good morning. How did you sleep? The weather today is beautiful. Isn't it? The weather today is beautiful. Isn't it? What's your favorite type of music? What's your favorite type of music? I have a meeting at 10 a.m. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. Did you have breakfast already? Did you have breakfast already? Have you seen the latest movie? Have you seen the latest movie? Coffee or tea? I prefer tea. Coffee or tea? I prefer tea. I'm running late. Traffic is terrible. I'm running late. Traffic is terrible. Let's grab lunch together. Let's grab lunch together. Can you pass me the salt, please? Can you pass me the salt, please? I love spending time with my family. I love spending time with my family. What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book? I'm looking forward to the weekend. I'm looking forward to the weekend. Do you have any plans for tonight? Do you have any plans for tonight? It's my turn to do the dishes. It's my turn to do the dishes. I'm going to the gym after work. I'm going to the gym after work. How's your day going so far? How's your day going so far? I can't find my keys anywhere. I can't find my keys anywhere. The new restaurant downtown is fantastic. The new restaurant downtown is fantastic. Have you ever traveled abroad? Have you ever traveled abroad? I forgot to set my alarm last night. I forgot to set my alarm last night. What's your favorite childhood memory? What's your favorite childhood memory? I need to get a haircut soon. I need to get a haircut soon. I'm trying to learn a new language. I'm trying to learn a new language. Can you recommend a good TV show? Can you recommend a good TV show? Did you hear about the recent news? Did you hear about the recent news? I enjoy taking long walks in the park. I enjoy taking long walks in the park. My phone battery is almost dead. My phone battery is almost dead. What's your dream vacation destination? What's your dream vacation destination? I can't believe it's already Friday. I can't believe it's already Friday. I have a dentist appointment next week. I have a dentist appointment next week. Do you have any pets at home? Do you have any pets at home? Let's cook dinner together. Let's cook dinner together. I bought a new pair of shoes yesterday. I bought a new pair of shoes yesterday. What's your favorite type of cuisine? What's your favorite type of cuisine? I spilled coffee on my shirt again. I spilled coffee on my shirt again. I love watching the sunset. I love watching the sunset. How do you stay motivated at work? How do you stay motivated at work? Can you help me with this math problem? Can you help me with this math problem? The traffic lights are always red when I'm in a hurry. The traffic lights are always red when I'm in a hurry. I need to update my resume. I need to update my resume. What's the best advice you've ever received? What's the best advice you've ever received? I prefer reading books over watching TV. I prefer reading books over watching TV. Did you hear that noise outside? Did you hear that noise outside? I usually take a walk during my lunch break. I usually take a walk during my lunch break. Let's plan a picnic for the weekend. Let's plan a picnic for the weekend. My phone's screen cracked. I need to get it fixed. My phone's screen cracked. I need to get it fixed. Have you ever tried meditation? Have you ever tried meditation? I'm thinking of redecorating my living room. I'm thinking of redecorating my living room. It's too hot in here. Can we open a window? It's too hot in here. Can we open a window? I'm excited about the upcoming holidays. I'm excited about the upcoming holidays. I haven't seen you in ages. I haven't seen you in ages. Can you pass me the remote control? Can you pass me the remote control? I enjoy listening to podcasts on my commute. I enjoy listening to podcasts on my commute. I have a dentist appointment tomorrow. I have a dentist appointment tomorrow. What's your favorite way to relax? What's your favorite way to relax? I forgot to water the plants today. I forgot to water the plants today. Let's go for a hike this weekend. Let's go for a hike this weekend. I bought a new laptop for work. I bought a new laptop for work. How often do you exercise? How often do you exercise? My phone just updated its software. My phone just updated its software. I need to return this library book. I need to return this library book. Do you have any dietary restrictions? Do you have any dietary restrictions? I have a headache. I need some rest. I have a headache. I need some rest. What's the best movie you've seen recently? What's the best movie you've seen recently? Let's order pizza for dinner. Let's order pizza for dinner. I spilled water on my keyboard. It's not working. I spilled water on my keyboard. It's not working. I'm going to a concert next month. I'm going to a concert next month. Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby? Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby? I'm trying to cut down on sugar. I'm trying to cut down on sugar. Have you ever been to a music festival? Have you ever been to a music festival? I have a dentist appointment tomorrow. I have a dentist appointment tomorrow. Do you prefer city life or the countryside? Do you prefer city life or the countryside? My car broke down. I need a tow. My car broke down. I need a tow. I'm craving chocolate right now. I'm craving chocolate right now. What's your favorite type of exercise? What's your favorite type of exercise? I have a job interview next week. I have a job interview next week. Let's plan a beach day this summer. Let's plan a beach day this summer. I accidentally deleted an important email. I accidentally deleted an important email. I love the smell of fresh flowers. I love the smell of fresh flowers. Do you have any plans for the holidays? Do you have any plans for the holidays? I'm thinking of adopting a pet. I'm thinking of adopting a pet. My computer is running slow. I need to upgrade it. My computer is running slow. I need to upgrade it. I can't find my glasses anywhere. I can't find my glasses anywhere. What's your favorite type of dessert? What's your favorite type of dessert? I spilled coffee on my keyboard. It's a mess. I spilled coffee on my keyboard. It's a mess. Let's go for a bike ride this afternoon. Let's go for a bike ride this afternoon. I'm attending a wedding next weekend. I'm attending a wedding next weekend. I need to fix a leaky faucet at home. I need to fix a leaky faucet at home. Do you enjoy cooking or prefer eating out? Do you enjoy cooking or prefer eating out? I bought a new camera for my photography hobby. I bought a new camera for my photography hobby. I have a dentist appointment tomorrow. I have a dentist appointment tomorrow.